Good morning, guys. It's not really morning. My gosh, look what did the wild pig did to our plants. Nakakaiyak, 'di ba? Tingnan niyo. 'Di ba? 'Di ba talagang nakakaiyak 'yan? Tingnan yung ginawa ng wild pig. Talagang winasak na yung vegetable garden ko. Ayan, wasak na oh. 'Di ba? Nakita niyo 'yan? Hindi ba kayo maiiyak niyan? Ha? Yung pinaghirapan mo, oh. 'Di ba? Wasak na wasak. Lahat wasak. Talagang 'di ba nakakaiyak? Oh. Oh, wala nang tinira talaga. Kita niyo, oh. Wasak yung eggplant, yung mga tomatoes, diba? Yung oregano, cilantro, parsley, diba? Yung okra ko, tingnan nyo naman yan. Nakakaiyak, diba? Yung pinagharapan mo, gaganyanin. Diba? Sobra naman. Araw-araw yan, nandito yan sila. Iyak. Look. Yan. Hanggang dito yan, oh. Diba? I was crying, guys. Oh my gosh. Kasi it's... look at that. All the way over there. Yeah. I'm crying because every day I'm planting. We're trying to make a garden nice. Look at that. And my moringa, my malunggay tree, papaya. Ano lang yung minasang nila? Sakit lang talaga. Iyak talaga ako kasi every day I'm here in the morning planting. And then my husband went to the store and he's gonna try to buy wires and put electric wirings around. Hopefully it helps. Oh my God. Kita nyo naman yan, oh. Diba? Kita nyo yan? Vegetables ko. Wala na. Sarap pumatay. Diba? Sige, guys. Sorry, pinakita ko lang sa inyo kasi naiiyak ako, eh.